Ever feel like your life is just a little too chaotic? What if I told you that your talent for organizing could actually be your next big side hustle? Forget drop shipping. Forget affiliate marketing. I'm talking about something most people haven't even thought of yet. Creating and selling custom Notion templates. It's a quiet, digital goldmine, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So, what is Notion? Think of it as digital Legos for your life. It's an incredibly powerful all-in-one workspace where you can plan, write, track, and organize literally anything. But here's the secret. While it's powerful, a lot of people find a blank page intimidating. They don't have the time or the skill to build the perfect system from scratch. That's where you come in. You're not just selling a digital file. You're selling organization, clarity, and peace of mind. Imagine creating a beautifully designed ultimate student planner. It could have sections for class schedules, assignment trackers with countdowns, a grade calculator, and a space for lecture notes. Or think about content creators. They're desperate for a system to manage their ideas, script their videos, schedule posts across multiple platforms, and track their analytics. You could build a comprehensive content creators hub that does all of that in one elegant dashboard. The beauty of this side hustle is its simplicity. There's no physical inventory to store in your garage, no shipping labels to print, and no post office run. You build a template once, and you can sell it forever. It's the definition of a scalable business. You invest the time up front to design something truly valuable, and then it generates passive income for you while you sleep. People are more than willing to pay for a system that saves them time and reduces their stress. They're not just buying a template, they're buying back their time and mental energy. So, how do you get started? It's a straightforward process. First, pick your niche. Who are you trying to help? Is it busy students, aspiring YouTubers, freelance writers, small business owners, or even people planning their wedding? The more specific you are, the better you can tailor your template to their exact needs. Don't try to build something for everyone. Build the perfect solution for someone. Next, start designing. The key is to balance functionality with aesthetics. It needs to work flawlessly, but it also needs to look good. Use Notion's features like databases, relations, rollups, and formulas to create powerful, interconnected systems. Keep the design clean, use a pleasing color palette, and make it intuitive. Remember, your customer is looking for simplicity, so don't overcomplicate it. Your goal is to create a template that feels like a breath of fresh air the moment they open it. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to sell it. You can list your digital products on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even create your own simple website with a service like PayPal. These platforms handle the payment processing and the digital delivery for you. Create some attractive mock-ups of your template in action. Write a clear description explaining who it's for and what problems it solves, and set your price. You could start with a simple habit tracker for a few dollars, or a complex business management system for $100 or more. The price depends on the value you provide. The final step is the best one, earning passive income. Every time someone buys your template, you get paid. You can promote your templates on social media like Pinterest, TikTok, or right here on YouTube by showing people how they can use them to get organized. Over time, those individual sales add up to a significant stream of income. It's a business that truly works for you. If you're the kind of person who loves making lists, organizing folders, and creating systems, you're already sitting on a potential business. That skill you think is just a personal quirk is actually a highly valuable service. You can turn your knack for order into a source of income that gives you more freedom and flexibility. Start small, create something you're proud of, and put it out there. You'll be surprised how many people are looking for exactly what you have to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.